As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Ethereum cost will hit $5,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $8,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $9,000 inside the extended time of 2030, $10,000 in 2031 and $12,000 in 2034. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that generally expands the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers shrewd agreements and circulated applications dApps to be constructed and worked with next to no margin time, misrepresentation, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential advancement lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Shrewd agreements are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the understanding straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements consequently uphold and execute the particulars of the understanding in view of predefined rules, without the requirement for mediators. This capacity has opened up a huge swath of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates, to the making of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in light of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified initiative. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, in this way empowering the formation of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, Strength, which permits designers to compose shrewd agreements and convey them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital money as well as in its boundless applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is prepared for another time of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to store network the executives, and then some, testing conventional models of control and offering another worldview of dispersed agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unpredictable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall decisively in an extremely brief time frame. A few variables add to this instability, making it both an intriguing and hazardous speculation. First and foremost, market feeling assumes a colossal part. Reports, web-based entertainment posts, and public articulations by powerful individuals can influence individuals' insights decidedly or adversely, prompting quick cost changes. For example, on the off chance that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals hurry to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis likewise adds to the unpredictability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to transient open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it very well may be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its instability. Contrasted with customary business sectors like stocks or land, the cryptographic money market is less fluid. Importance, even little exchanges can immensely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt emotional cost developments as dealers endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Also, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration declares new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital currencies, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost fall as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's convenience and acknowledgement. Finally, the innovation and advancement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new highlights, or huge changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond emphatically to redesigns that work on the stage's productivity, security, or versatility, prompting cost increments. Alternately, postponements or issues with updates can prompt reductions in cost. Authentic expectations. Z5 Z12 Z4. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,997.76, so the cost expanded by 31% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $49.62, and the year-to-year change plus 116%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 66%. In 2024, we hope to see 33,422 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to 5,522. In the final part, the cost would add $1,242 and close the year at $6,764, which is plus 126% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,764 to $8,160, which is up 21%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,764, then, at that point, dip to $6,89 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,30. That implies plus 101% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $8,160 to $11,705, which is plus 43%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $8,160. Then, at that point, take off to $8,650 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $9,137. It is about plus 205% from today. Z4152Z4. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,142.38, so the cost expanded by 37% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,306 and the year-to-year change plus 175%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 101%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,349 per 1 Ethereum. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,970. In the final part, the cost would add $823 and close the year at $8,793, which is plus 180% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $8,793 to $11,872, which is up 35%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $8,793, then, at that point, dip to $7,484 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $7,736. That implies plus 146% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $11,872 to $15,307, which is plus 29%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $11,872, then, at that point, dip to $11,160